Okay, we got a shop here and we've been doing a lot of welding. And if you've been doing welding, you may have not even known this thing. As they said, if you've been wearing like super heavy jackets and stuff just to kind of keep the sparks off you or whatever and the heat, check out this. You are gonna love this and you're never gonna go back to ever wearing a big old heavy jacket again. So check this out. These are flame retardant welding sleeves. So they make these sleeves, and this is by Lincoln Electric. And I'm going to show you, we always have a spare bag around. So this is the spare bag, and these are the ones I use here. But look at this, it's like, it's kind of fabricy, it's not super heavy, but it's going to save your arm. Oh my gosh, look at this, it goes right over there. I'm even wearing short sleeve shirt, and just make sure it just covers up all of it. And there we go, I'm good to go. Actually, this is probably going to melt because it's a exercise shirt, but you get the concept. This is it. It's kind of like canvas, and it's breathable, and it is going to save my arms. I'm going to be welding all day, won't be getting hot, won't be getting anything going on with me. It's perfect. So this is by Lincoln Electric, and if you guys don't have one of these or haven't heard of this yet, man, get one of these. This is great. So this is what the little box looks like, and it comes with a set of them here. So this is it. So definitely get these sleeves, and get an extra pair because you're gonna need it. Everyone's gonna. These would be great gifts for any welder and anybody who uses any welding. This is just so cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.